specs and delivery dates can change any time, for any reason, Red warned us, when pre-orders began in August 2017. No kidding. The full launch of the Hollywood Camera Company's first phone, a $1,200 plus titanium beast known as the Red Hydrogen, with a holographic screen, swappable camera modules and more, has been slightly delayed until August 2018. It was originally promised in Q1 and most recently bumped to this summer. Now, the August date is pushing it towards the end of that season. In a series of posts at the RedUser.net forum, Red and Oakley founder Jim Jannard says he believes it's for the best, because the extra time has allowed the company to add a key new feature, 4-view video capture. Originally, the Hydrogen was only going to have a single rear-facing camera like you'd find on a standard smartphone, with the option to add an additional modular camera array that could capture 3D video and convert it into Red's new 4-view format, where you can move your head to look around and behind objects you see using the phone's holographic screen. But now, Jannard says the phone will come with 2 pairs of cameras, front and back, so you can capture basic 4V content in real time, with nothing but the Hydrogen phone itself. Plus, Jannard says the company has a 4V video chat app up and running now. Red plans to show off the Hydrogen phone on May 19 at its Hollywood studios. Here are the specs we've compiled so far. Again, subject to change, runs Android, carrier unlocked, 5.7-inch, 2560 by 1440 screen with nanotechnology, to seamlessly switch between 2D, stereo 3D and 4-view, holographic display modes. Front and back dual stereo cameras with 4V video recording. Supports modular attachments, including an upgraded cinema camera module and modular batteries. Qualcomm Snapdragon 835X processor, not the new Snapdragon 845. Huge 4,500 mAh battery, compared to Galaxy S9 Plus at 3,500 mAh. Charges over USB-C. Micro SD card slot for expanded storage. Dual SIM slots. Headphone jack. Can serve as a touchscreen monitor for Red's other cameras. Available in titanium or aluminum with scalloped edges for grip. Launching August 2018.